is version 2. So now I am starting about explaining routing information protocol version 2. So for that one we have to take 3 routers, 3 switches and 6 PCs. So I am clicking on routers. In left down side you can see the routers. So I am taking as 2811 routers. If you want to take multiple routers at a time means press control and select router. Control and select on router. So at a time we can take this in mouse we can click right, left click now it will come, then escape, then go to the switches. Now I am taking 3 switches, that is 2960 switch. Control plus select switch. Now I am taking 6 PCs. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we taken 6 PCs. Now first I am adding ports to the routers. If you don't add ports now, from router to router it won't communicate. So that's why you have to add ports. So how to add ports means click on routers, left click, then physical is there now. In physical it will show like this. After that we have to switch off the switch. Then we have to select the module, which module you have to make. So I am taking as WIC2T module I am taking. Then switch on. For similarly we have to take for second and third router also. Click on second router. In physical first you have to switch off. I am taking as WIC2T module. Just place it, then switch on. If you don't forget to switch on. For third router also similarly we have to click. We have to add ports. First click on router, third router, then switch off. I am taking as WIC2T. Now we already assigned ports to the routers. Now we have to give connections. Here left down side connections will be there. In this connection also different connections is there. From this one is like serial cable, this two. So this one is coaxial cable. For fast Ethernet we will use this is for serial Ethernet. So I am taking as automatically choose connection type. Click on automatically chosen types. Then we have to click on first router to second router, from second router to third router, from first router to first switch to PCs. Like this you have to connect. Similarly you have to connect all the things. Now escape. First you have assigned IP addresses to the PCs and these networks and all. So how to assign IP address means just click on first router, go to the command line. This page will come, command line page. First you have to give no, enter. Now it's showing router now. First you have to go to the privilege mode. For going privilege mode you have to give enable, en tab, enter. Next go to the config terminal mode, CONF space T, enter. CONF space T. See here, I missed the C, so that's why it's showing invalid input detect. If you don't give space also it will show invalid. So CONF space T, enter. Now it's entered into the config terminal. So now we have to assign IP addresses. In first order there are two networks here. Like this is like fast Ethernet, this is like serial. So in fast Ethernet I am creating 192.168.1.0 network /24 I am taking. For serial Ethernet I am taking as 192.168.4.0, that is /24 network only I am taking. So here this from our router 1 itself we have to assign for this network and this network. Click on router in config terminal mode. You have to give IP address. So for IP address, first you have to go to the interface. Interface F0/0, enter. F0/0, enter. IP address 192.168.1.1 space. For /24 subnetting mask is 255.255.255.0. Enter. Now no shutdown. See here, it's showing red mark no. Once you give no shutdown, then it will turn to green. See here now, it turns to green. Then exit. Now again for fast Ethernet, now we have to give for serial Ethernet. Why taken 1.1 now? 192.168.1.1. This total network is starting from 1.0. So from starting this one, you have to take 1.1. So here also 192.168.4.0 network is there. So in this end, we'll take as 192.168.4.1. In this end, 192.168.4.2. So I'm giving for serial interface IP address. Interface SC0/2/0, enter. IP space address 92.168.4.1 space 255.255.255.0, enter. That is /24 subnetting mask is 255.255.255.0. Then enter. No shutdown. No shutdown. Exit. See, it's shown red now. After giving this edge no, then it will connect. It will turn to green. Now going to the second router. So here 3 networks is there. This is one is 4.0 network. This one is 5.0 network. 5.0/24. And this one I am taking as 192.168.2.0/24 network. So here 3 networks is there. So you have to give 3 times IP addresses. So click on second router. Go to the command line. First enter no. You have to come to the privilege mode. Then you have to go into the config terminal mode. Now we are in config terminal mode. You have to go to the interface. Which interface you are giving? So first I am giving this interface. 192.168.2.0 interface I am getting. I want to go. So I am giving one interface int F0/0, enter. IP address 192.168.1.2.1 space subnetting was 255.255.255.0, enter. Exit. Now for fast Ethernet actually I forgot the given no shutdown. Interface F0/0, no shutdown. Exit. Now I have given fast Ethernet. Now I have to give for serial interface. Here serial two interfaces is there. One is SC0/2/0 this side. SC0/2/1 is this side. So we have to give for 2 times. Interface SC0/2/0, enter. IP address 192.168.4.2 space 255.255.255.0, enter. Exit. Oh, shutdown you have to give. Exit. So see here, now it turns green here, no green here. Here still it's red only. This end and this end. After giving this router, then it will turn to green. So now I am giving in second router only. Click on second router. We have to go for this interface 192.168.5.0 network. Enter interface SC0/2/1. Enter IP space address 192.168.5.1 space 255.255.255.0. That is subnet mask. Enter. No shutdown. Exit. We are going on third router. Click on third router. Go to command line. First we have to do now. Enable config terminal interface F0/0. Enter IP address 192.168.5.3.1 space 255.255.255.0. Enter. Shutdown. Exit. So remaining only one interface is there. It's serial interface. INT this interface. So I'm giving INT SC0/2/0. Enter. IP space address 192.168.5.2 space 255.255.255.0. Enter. No shutdown. Exit. Now you assign IP addresses for 3 routers. Now we have to assign IP addresses for PCs also. You can assign IP address for PCs from router, or otherwise directly you can assign IP address from directly PCs. This is static IP address. For now, for first these 2 PCs, I am assigning IP address in static mode. So how to assign IP address in static mode means now I am assigning for first PC, a PC0 I am assigning. So click on the left click on the computer, go to desktop, IP configuration, here static, here I have to give. So this total network is 192.168.1.0 network. Here we already assigned this end 192.168.1.1. So this one we are taking as 192.168.1.2. Here we are taking as 192.168.1.3. So first one click 192.168.1.2 tab, that is subnetting mask for /24 is 255.255.255.0. Default gateway 192.168.1.1. Default gateway is compulsory. If you don't give default gateway, no, it won't connect. So default gateway, which one is default gateway? Is this and no from router and this one. We already said this thing now 192.168.1.1. This one only default gateway. So now I am assigning for second PC. Click on second PC, go to the desktop, IP configuration, IP address 192.168.1.3. 255 subnetting mask is 255.255.255.0. Default one is 192.168.1.1. This is static method. So like similarly I am assigning for remaining PCs also. Click on PC, desktop, IP configuration, static 192.168.2.2 space subnetting mask is 255.255.255.0 and default is 192.168.2.1. For the here default way we have to take this one. We already assigned 192.168.1.2.1. This one only we have to take. So for the third router, if we are taking this default one is 192.168.3.0 network. So default one is 192.168.3.1 will come. 192.168.2.3 and subnetting mask is to fade.0. Then default gate is 192.168.2.1. So for this last two pieces, no, 5/6 PC, I'm not assigning static one. I'm assigning dynamic one. How to assign dynamic one means just go through the click on the router. Click on the router, then click enter in router 3. Click on the router, IP DHCP pool. Here I am taking as any number you can take, so I am taking as 10. Enter. So network, which network is it? Network 192.168. This is 3.0 network, so I am taking as that one. Space subnetting mask 255.255.255.0. Enter. Then default router. Default router will give no, this one only. Default router. Default router we have to take. Default router 192.168. Dot 3.1. This one, no, this network is default route is 192.168.3.1. So that's one only I'm taking. Then enter, then exit. So now we'll check if the DHCP pool is assigned or not. So go to click on the PC, click on desktop, click on IP configuration. Here static is there, no? Click on DHCP. DHCP request successfully. Without assigning static, directly you can assign from router itself. So here it's taking 192.168.3.2, subnetting mask is 255.255.255.0, then default gateway is 192.168.3.0. Direct you can check for last PC also. Click on PC, desktop, IP configuration, DHCP pool. So here it says that DHCP request successfully. Here it's assigned 192.168.3.3. and subnetting mask is 255.255.255.0. Then default gateway is 192.168.3.1. So here we assign static, here we assign static, but in the last order pieces we assign like DHCP pool. That is dynamic host configuration pool, DHCP. Okay, now we already assign IP address here, IP addresses here. Everything we already assigned IP addresses. So now we have to check IP address is assigned or not. So go to the cursor on first order. Here it will show. For fast Ethernet, link is up. If down, no. Here it will be show red color. If any red color is shown here, connection is not done, then it will show down. Here it's green, no, then it's up. So for fast Ethernet, we assign IP address is 192.168.1.1/24. We assign this first order fast Ethernet network, no, this thing only. For serial Ethernet, serial 0/2/0, it's up only. Then 192.168.4.1/24. This one we assign as 192.168.1.1. Here we assign 192.168.4.1. Like similarly, you can see. Keep on cursor on second order. You can see 3, because in this order we 3 wires is there, no. One downside is there, that is fast Ethernet, and side side is there, no, that is serial Ethernet. 2 serial Ethernet is there. 192.168.2.1/24. Then 192.168.4.2 for serial Ethernet. Next serial Ethernet is of 192.168.5.1. Another way is also there. Click on the router, enter, enable, show space IP space ROTE route, enter. See here for first router, two IP addresses are assigned. For fast Ethernet 192.168.1.0/24. For serial Ethernet 192.168.4.0 network. I'm trying to send packets, so it will work or not, we'll check. I'm sending from first one to last one. Failed because there is no routing protocols is there. So that's why we have to add routing protocols we have to add. So I'm using here RIP person, routing information protocol I am taking. So if you configure a routing information protocol, then it will communicate. So now also it will communicate within the network only. See, from first PC to second PC successful, but it won't communicate from first PC to third PC. Failed. Similarly, second PC, third PC to fourth PC it will communicate. For remaining PCs it won't communicate. Like this, you can check anything within the network only it will communicate. These two PCs is communicating, but these two PCs is not communicating with these two PCs. If you want to communicate this and all PCs now, so you have to give protocols. Now I am taking as routing information protocol, that is RIP. Click on the router one, enter, go to config terminal, I am taking as routing information protocol, that is RIP. RIP version 2 I am taking. It's similar only RIP version 1 and version 2. Then extra only one command is there, like version 2 you have to enter. You have to give router RIP, that is routing information protocol, enter. Then here version space 2. For version 1 we don't want to give this thing. Directly you can give routing information router RIP, enter, network space 192.168.1.0 network. Only total network we have to take. For first router there are two networks is connected, two wires is connected, that is 4.0 network wire and 1.0 network wire. So I entered 1.0 network wire, then enter, then network 192.168.4.0, enter, then exit. Like similarly for second router there is three wires is there, three networks is there, that one you have to give. First one, enable, config terminal, routing information protocol, enter, version 2, enter. Here you have to give three networks. One is 192.168.2.0 network, one is 4.0 network, one is 5.0 network. Exit. Why we given three networks now? For second router, three wires is connected. This wire is like 2.0 network wire. This wire is like 192.168.4.0 network wire. This one is 192.168.5.0 network. So we have to give for three times. So for third router also you have to give. Click on third router, enter, router RIP, enter, version 2, enter, network. Here only two wires is connected now, so that's why two networks is there. So network 192.168.3.0, enter, 192.168.5.0, enter, exit. So now we send routing information protocol to the routers. So now we will check. For checking, click on the routers. Exit, go to the privilege mode. This is privilege mode. Show IP space route. Enter. See here, I given show IP space route. For RIP version, what is the code? R is like RIP version. So in this 192.168.2.0 network is connected. 192.168.3.0 network is connected, and is 5.0 network is also connected. Like similarly, if you want to check this, click on the second router. First go to the privilege mode, then show IP route. Here 1.0 network connected, and 3.0 network connected, and 5.0 network connected. 1.0 network connected, 3.0 network connected. Exit. Show IP route. Enter. Here also 3 is connected. It's showing our 1.0 network, 2.0 network, then 4.0 network. Now we will send the packets. It is communicating from first PC to last PC. Species will communicate. Then only our routing information protocol, that is RAB, is confirmed. So I'm trying to send the protocols now, packets now. Click on packets from first PC to third PC. It's shown successful. So I'm sending from first PC to last PC. It's shown failed. Then again I'm sending first PC to last PC. It's shown successful. Maybe first time, maybe it may be failed. Then again we have to send the same thing. Then it will confirm successful. Now try to send from one PC to another PC, that is in different networks. It will communicate because protocols is, we all assign protocols now. That's why it's communicating. So here we assign routing information protocol, that is RIP. Okay, that's it. So tomorrow we will see about another protocols. One is AHRP or OSPF, we can see. Okay, thank you.